SEO, AEO, GEO, EIEIO. Hi, I'm Max from Maxed Out Creative. Whether you're working with a modest budget or investing heavily, we find smart, creative ways to make every marketing dollar count. We max it out. There you go. Hey, this video series isn't for marketing pros. It's for insurance agents, small medical clinics, and service-based businesses who want to understand basics, then hire the right partners and start seeing real results. Now, SEO, AEO, now GEO, these acronyms are getting out of hand. They are. You need a decoder ring. Every time a new one drops, here comes another guru online. Everything you're doing is wrong. Hold up, cowboy. Let's slow down and make some sense out of all this stuff. First up, SEO. You've heard it before, search engine optimization. That's what helps your business show up on Google search results. The goal is get into the local pack 3. That's the box with the 3 businesses right at the top of local search. And typically 90% or right around 90% of searches have that box. Some don't, 10% don't. Then came AEO, Answer Engine Optimization. This is all about making sure your business shows up when people ask things like, hey Siri, where's a Medicare agent near me? Or Alexa, find a walk-in clinic that's open right now. You want your name to be the answer. Remember, AEO isn't about lists. It's the answer. You want to be the answer. So there's a big distinction. Now, here's a new kid on the block, GEO, Generative Engine Optimization. What does that mean? Well, it's about optimizing your content so it shows up in answers given by AI tools like ChatGPT or Google Gemini, Grok. There's a whole list of them now. These tools are powered by LLMs. What's a LLM, Max? Well, it's a large language model. And yep, ChatGPT is the biggest one right now. You know what that is. So here's the million-dollar question. Do you need to freak out and stop focusing on SEO? Yes, you should stop doing SEO poorly. But no, you should not, absolutely not, abandon the basics. That's ridiculous. Here's why. SEO is the bedrock of your online visibility. It's how Google and AI find and trust your content in the first place. AI engines often reference content that already ranks well. So if your site isn't on Google radar, it won't be on AI's either. Okay, so no matter what these people are saying, at least right now in July of 2025, that's what's happening. Structured content matters. If your site is well written, clean, easy to navigate, you're already doing what AI likes. And technical SEO still counts. That means mobile-friendly design, fast page load times, and structured data. All things your marketing partner should be handling for you right now. Authority builds trust. If your brand is known and your content is helpful, AI tools are more likely to trust and recommend you. Bottom line, GEO does not replace SEO. It builds on it. Get the basics right, then layer the strategies to make your content show up in generative AI responses. I've done other videos that walk you through SEO, AEO, and how to start, just on a basic level. Check out the playlist below for practical steps. Look, everything's changing, and no one, not even the so-called experts, have it all figured out 100% because it's a moving target. But if your marketing partner knows the basics and keeps learning, you're going to be in great shape. Common sense, focus, and hard work, even if you're doing it yourself, that's how you're going to win.